Hello guys, Knex here. Today I have my Knex H&k G3. So here it is, that's my Knex H&k G3. So here's a stock, my first time building the stock. Here's a handle, here's a trigger, here's a magazine, here's a barrel right here. As you can see, it's a big gun. Yep. So here's that side. Now I will show you another side. Here's that side. As you can see, it's got rubber bands on it, so they won't fall out. So that's why it looks like that. Here we go. This gun is about 30 inches long, about 2 feet long. This gun is, so this gun shoots orange connectors. So, I will take the mag out, so I'll put you guys down. Okay. Here's a magazine right here. This thing just goes through here, so I will show you that. Okay, it looks like that. Put orange connectors in there, so I will put it on to the gun. So you put it in until you hear a click. Here we go. Okay, it's on to the gun now, so you take this thing out. Here we go. Then you just put it on the floor. Here we go. So let's fire this gun then. So I put you guys right here. So here's a gun, so let's fire. You pull this thing like that, then we need to shoot. It shoots 7 of orange connectors. Okay, that's it. So it works. Okay, so this gun works really well. See this bit, sometimes it hurts my finger, my middle finger, sometimes it hurts, you know, if you're holding and then try to pull that thing and then just fire the way. So it does hurt. It really does hurt, man. So I hope you guys like this gun. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and link to subscription notifications come small. So bye.